Hi everyone. In today's tutorial, we will show you how to group and lock objects in Canva so we can keep our elements organized and prevent accidental changes. This is especially useful when working with complex layouts. On the Canva dashboard, here is a group of elements that we want to group together. All we need to do is highlight all the elements. Once we have selected all the elements, or just the specific ones we want to group, we simply click the Group button at the top. As we can see, they are now grouped together. We can move them freely wherever we want. To lock the group, we just click the Lock button, and now it is locked. No one can edit it, and it stays together as one unit. We can no longer move it. It is locked in place. And that is how we group and lock objects in Canva in just a few simple steps. We can now design with better control and keep our layouts clean and consistent.